It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say, is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls, 'cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene. Days go by, it's the bigger love of the family.
Hey everybody! Hey, I guys all
We lose out on $1 million.
What's up, fam?
Where you been, Michelle?
Gramps, my name is Mike. Wait, where's the turkey?
Uncle Andre forgot the turkey.
Bill, I know we have to make the sale. I don't care.
We don't need a turkey this year. I brought a tofu one. Don't look at me like that. You all know I'm vegan. And you all should be too. McKenna, would you stop? I'm trying to take a TikTok.
McKenna, stop looking at my phone.
McKenna!
Mom, she's not letting me play.
It's my phone. Did you guys see my TikTok? It has 54 views.
Can I see it?
No.
Please show me.
No, McKenna, would you just stop? I'm trying to show my actual good cousins, not my sister.
Well, I think you should appreciate me more. It's Thanksgiving. You should be thankful.
Okay, why don't we just all go around and say what we're thankful for? Alright, I'll start. I'm thankful that we're all here together.
I'm grateful for my dentures and my hearing aids.
I'm grateful for the hundreds of lives I save every year.
I'm grateful for Black Friday shopping.
Sister, same. I'm grateful for my license and my car. Okay.
I'm grateful for my kids, my siblings, my dad, God,
Bill,
and my husband.
dude,
I'll do another hashtag.
you say something? Oh, Bill, hold on a second. I'm thankful that business is booming. All right, Bill, I'm back.
Of course you're not grateful for your beautiful family.
Bill, I'll call you back.
Could we please just have a nice family dinner for once? Please?
Bill, I'm gonna have to get back to you.
Who wants to hear a knock-knock joke?
Acting's so bad, it's not even funny.
Welcome back to Wave Report. I'm Mike Dudout and I'm a Gemini.
And I'm Sam Guardino, and I'm a Scorpio. We're here to give you the latest and greatest news of New Milford High School. So Mike, how was your Thanksgiving?
My Thanksgiving was great. Aunt Zelda forgot the turkey again, so then we had to get Chinese food.
But that's okay, because Chinese food is always a staple.
I mean, not gonna lie, it was pretty good. How was yours, Sam?
Mine was pretty good too. We just watched a lot of football.
Oh my god, you know what my family was watching? Game of Thrones.
Speaking of Game of Thrones, New Milford High School Dramatics Department opens on December 6th with Game of Tiaras. Our newest reporter is out in the field.
Take it away, Jenna.
Thanks, guys. I'm currently standing outside the New Milford High School Theater where Game of Tiaras is being rehearsed. Let's go take a look.
Hello, my name is Tyler Holm. I play Prince Charming in Game of Tiaras. It's basically like if you mashed up Game of Thrones and Disney princesses. It's really an awesome time. We're all very, very excited. to be able to put on this show. So please, please come. It's a super awesome show, super funny.
I've got armies just off of the
I am playing the role of Narrator 1, and me and my partner, Narrator 2, we basically kind of move the story along, pop into random places, give like a short kind of synopsis of what's going on to the audience, you know, integrate in the scene. It's really fun, and you get to make your character like your own thing. So it's a fun role to play, and I enjoy it very much.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the preview video for Game of Tiaras. If you'd like to buy tickets, tickets are on sale after school from 2:30 to 4:30 every day. So if you would like to go down and buy your tickets, that'd be great.
Thanks, Jenna. The show looks wonderful. I might just have to go get some tickets.
You can get tickets in the theater hallway box office.
You know, working at the box office takes so much time and energy. I wouldn't be able to stop thinking about the Thanksgiving leftovers in my fridge.
Sam, what do you do with your leftovers?
I normally eat them.
I feed them to my dog because calories.
Love that. McKenna and Jillian are out in the hallways talking to the students and staff of New Milford about what their favorite part of Thanksgiving is.
Take it away.
Thanks, Mike and Sam.
Today we went around the school and asked people questions about Thanksgiving.
And here are their answers.
The stuffing.
Cranberry sauce.
I think it's cranberry sauce.
Gotta go with the stuffing. Stuffing is a solid choice.
For sure, for sure.
Sprite cranberry.
Mediocre. Shouldn't be the
Mixed emotions. You know, like chicken's the superior food. Hey.
How do I feel about I love turkey.
I'd say delicious. Tasty.
I just like the skin.
Relatives, family there, just having a great old time.
Getting concussed after falling off the couch, that was fun. Yeah.
Oh, my son's playing their annual turkey bowl.
Costco makes a killer pumpkin pie. I don't know if you've ever had it, but it's very good.
I'm gonna say raspberry, you know, gotta get that natural flavor, you know. It's quality is what I'm trying.
Oreo cream pie. Apple.
Pumpkin.
Apple crumb pie.
Mashed with garlic and butter. Butter mashed, of course.
I'm gonna say mashed.
Candied yams or sweet potato casserole with marshmallows on top.
Showing the ones you love, you care about them.
I'd say that's quite poetic.
Say thank you.
Being respectful.
Give to less fortunate people.
I'd say the fat checks that my relatives give me.
And Christmas bonuses from our jobs.
Avoiding my relatives, mostly.
Spending some time with Will Horvath.
Thanks, Sticky.
Family getting together.
My family.
Definitely Ryan.
Jacob.
I'm thankful for the chance to be on Green Wave TV. Put me in VP, please.
I gotta go with that, and I'm also very thankful for Will being my partner in all this.
I can't pick favorites because, you know, there's so many good teachers at the school. I would say Mr. Menta for putting up with my incessant movie questions.
Abraham, Amenta, Holmes.
This one's a shout out to Mr. Sizdek, Mr. Amenta, and my boy Mish Lipinski.
Thanks to everyone who participated.
And back to you, Mike and Sam.
I'm so happy that the students and staff are so enthusiastic about Thanksgiving. I know I am.
Right now we're gonna cut to commercial break and look at a sneak peek of a new movie coming out soon.
Wait, you guys, we should go Black Friday shopping tomorrow morning.
Oh my gosh, we should. I want one of those hoverboard thingies, and they're like 50% off at Walmart right now. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So it's settled. We'll go shopping tomorrow morning.
Guys, we can't go Black Friday shopping. No way, not at all.
What do you mean, Ash? What's your deal? Let's just go.
Bad things happen on Black Friday, but don't say I didn't warn you guys.
In a world where 3 friends take on a mission to get half-off deals on new products, these friends will undergo serious tests of friendship, and one test could break them.
There's only one left.
Black Friday, coming to a theater near you.
And we're back.
Sam, do you know what my favorite part of my high school career was?
What was that, Mike?
The names assembly.
That's right. Every year the sophomore class takes part in a special program
where they talk about social issues and school climate.
Take a look at our highlights, put to a song by our very own Jenna Drahoda and Maddie De La Pera.
We may not yet have reached our glory, but I will gladly join the fight.
That today is about a lot of things, but it's about voices. It's about you finding your own voice and you listening to other people.
We'll tell the story of tonight.
Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere?
You are all beautiful in every single way. Don't let anyone, don't let no one tell you different, especially yourself.
No one would hear.
Well, let that lonely feeling wash away.
All we see is love.
In the design process, I decided to take New Milford's 3 main bridges, Lover's Leap, the Veterans Bridge that crosses into town, and Boardman Bridge, and combine them for its unified Milford and unified district.
You can reach out your hand and
raise the glass to freedom, something they can never take away, no matter what they tell you.
Someone will come running to take you home.
Raise a glass to all of us.
Tomorrow there'll be more of us,
telling the story of tonight.
Out of the shadows, the morning is breaking, and all is due.
It's only a matter of time. Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. If you only look around, you will be found.
Challenge you to ask the question, to be bold, to put yourself out there, to be vulnerable and to build connections and relationships.
No matter what they tell you,
tomorrow there'll be more of us,
telling the story of tonight.
It's about you opening up your ears, but more importantly, your heart, to hear that voice.
Thank you all so much for watching our broadcast.
Tune in next time for our Christmas special.
And that's all for Wave Report.
Crackle, crackle.